If you want to become an animator and you have no idea where to begin, well, this video is for you, because today I'm going to look at some online courses that I can recommend, which will be the perfect starting point for any new beginner. So stay tuned. Hey guys, my name is Eon and welcome to my Start Animating YouTube channel, the channel that is specifically aimed at everyone that is new to animation. And if that is you, welcome, you are at the right place. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and also click on that little notification bell so that you can get notified every week when I upload a brand new video. And feel free to also sign up for my YouTube membership. Just click on that join button and you can see all the perks that is available. Now today I'm going to look at some online courses that I can highly recommend, and the reason why I am making this video is because I wish I had this knowledge when I started. If I knew everything I knew today, I would have taken a whole different route and be where I am today much faster. And one way to do that is to get the right courses in the beginning when you start out. Now the reason why I say this is when I started my animation journey, I knew nothing about animation, and so the first thing that all of us do is we go onto YouTube and we go check out YouTube videos. Now that is great. I've learned a lot on YouTube, but there's two problems. The first one is terminology. They will talk about things that you have no clue about. You don't know what they are talking about. So it's very difficult to learn animation if you're not up to scratch with all the terminology and you don't know what everything means. You don't know what blocking means, for example. And so it really puts you on a back foot when you watch YouTube videos, because you are learning things, but in a way you don't know what they're talking about, if you understand what I'm saying. The second thing is, if you don't know everything, then you don't know what to search for on YouTube. For example, the 12 principles of animation. I only learned that probably 3 years after I started animation. Okay, so because I didn't know it was a thing, I didn't know it is something to search for. I only came upon it later on my journey. So it is very important in the beginning to know all the terminology and have a place where you can learn everything that you need to know, that foundation about animation from the beginning. Okay, so if I knew that back then, I would have been much further. I would have been where I am today much quicker, because I wouldn't have wasted so much time trying to learn everything on YouTube, which was actually a bit of a struggle. So today I'm going to share with you some online courses. Now there's two types of courses that I normally recommend. The first one is to basically what I just spoke about now, is to learn the fundamentals of animation, to learn all the terminology and to lay a foundation so that when you go onto YouTube and watch some animation videos, you know exactly what they're talking about. So it really, really helps you to learn faster. If you know the foundation, you will learn so much faster. Okay, and that is something I never had when I started out. Something that just an online course that could teach me the basics, and I will have that foundation laid. And then when I go and watch YouTube videos, I know exactly what they are talking about. And that brings me to the second type. If you know the foundation, you will also know what to look out for when you want to get an animation software, because when you look at the specs and all the functions of the software, if you don't know the terminology, you won't really know what this software is doing, what all the benefits and functions are, because you don't know the terminology. If they say onion skinning, not all animation softwares have onion skinning, but if that is something you know you're going to need later on, but you don't know what onion skinning is now. So now you go and purchase the software, and later on in your journey you realize, but you want to do onion skinning and your software can't do it. So you can now understand the importance of knowing all the foundations of animation, all the terminology. So that's why I created an online course called Begin Animation, and if it's on my website. And that is basically what I did, is I created an online course that teach you the basics of animation. So after this course, you will have a foundation laid, and now you'll know exactly, you can use this knowledge to see, okay, what animation software will be best for you. You can now go on YouTube videos and watch animation tutorials, and you will know exactly what they are talking about. So this is just a great starting point for any animator. So you'll see it is $97, but if you use promo code Begin Today, then you will actually get 25% discount on. If you use the promo code Begin Today, you will save 25% on this course. This is a great starting point for you. It will help you make better decisions going forward when it comes to getting a animation software. It will help you when you watch online tutorials, etc., because you've got all the terminology, you know everything, the basics that you need to know about animation. So this is a great starting point. Then the second type of online course, and this is something that really helped me. This is something I will highly recommend everyone do that is also new to animation, who's starting out. And that is to take an online course on the software that you're going to use. Okay, so if you're going to use Blender as your animation software, then see if you can't take an online course on Blender. If you're going to use Maya, see if you can't find an online course on Maya. Because the reason for that is it helps you understand the animation software is your tool. So to take an online course, you will understand the tool that you're going to use. So if you understand the animation software, how to use it, the whole user interface, you don't want your animation software to be an obstacle when it comes to animation. It is your tool, okay? So you want to be able to use your tool. You don't want to struggle with your animation because you don't understand the software and you don't know how to do certain things. Maybe you want to adjust the curves and you don't know how to do it in your software. So it is great to really know your animation software, and there's two websites I can that I can highly recommend. The one I've used and it really helped me, and that is Studio Animation 101. So if we just quickly go on the website, they've got an online course for Cartoon Animator 5. That is a animation software that I'm using, and when I started animation, I used Cartoon Animator. I started off with Cartoon Animator, and I actually took one of their courses to learn Cartoon Animator, and it just helped me so much. Then they also have one for iClone. So if you want to use iClone for 3D animation, they've got an online course for iClone. Then they've got other courses as well that will really help you. Face drawing mastery, rigging mastery in Cartoon Animator. So if you want to rig your characters in Cartoon Animator. Okay, learn animation in Cartoon Animator 4. So this one is a little bit outdated because they now have Cartoon Animator 5. If you want to learn storyboarding, that is something that will really help you. Animation production mastery if you want to go into production. But a lot of these things, here's 12 principles of animation, but that is something I also cover in my course that I've mentioned. But this is a great, if you want to use Cartoon Animator or iClone for your animation, then I would highly recommend 2D Animation 101. Then the other website that I would recommend is Bloop Animation. Now they have a lot of online courses on different software as well. So let's go to software, and then you'll see they also have skills. So if you want to get better and improve your animation skills. They also have online courses for that. But here you can see they've got for Blender, they've got for Toon Boom, they've got for After Effects, TV Paint, Maya, Moho. So they actually have a lot more online courses for different animation software. So basically between these two websites, Studio Animation and Bloop Animation, you are almost covered when it comes to what software you are going to use. And then again, they've got some skills, so screenwriting foundations, animation foundations, storyboarding, editing, making a graphic novel, etc. So again, once you've got your foundation laid and you know your animation software, then you are basically set. Then you can actually start. But it is nice to know that they also have some more online courses that can really improve your skills and take you to the next level. But like I've mentioned in the beginning of this video, the most important thing for me, and I wish I had this, is to have an online course that will teach you the fundamentals, the basics, your foundation, all the terminology. That is so important, because that will really help you, because then you'll be able to watch online courses or tutorials online. You'll be able to take online courses like what I've mentioned here, and you'll know what they are talking about, and it will also help you make better decisions when you want to purchase an animation software. So that course is crucial. And then secondly, an online course on the animation software that you're going to use. It's no use, you know all the fundamentals of animation, but you don't know how to use the software. That won't help you. So those are the two online courses I always recommend. And you don't have to use or purchase my online course or any course from Bloop Animation or 2D Animation. These are just the ones I recommend. Obviously, the one I created because it was something that I struggled with when I started out. So I tried to fill that gap and provide all of you with something that I never had. I'm sure there are other online courses that does the same thing out there, but this is what I will recommend. So in the description, there is links to these online courses. Again, if you use promo code BEGIN today, you'll save 25% on my online course, and I'll also provide links to Bloop Animation and 2D Animation 101 in the description as well if you are interested in any of their courses. So guys, let me know in the comments, are there any online courses that you took? Maybe something that I didn't mention that was really helpful. Let's help each other. Let me know in the comments what online courses really help you as a new animator when you just started out. And if you have taken any of these courses, maybe from 2D Animation 101 or from Bloop Animation, again, also let me know in the comments below, were they worth it? I know I can recommend these online courses. I love it. It really helped me. So that's why I'm recommending them. But let me know in the comments if you've used them and how your experience was. So guys, that is it for me. I'll see you guys next week with another video. So God bless and happy animating.